In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Microsoft OneNote. Tags are simple, visual markers you attach to parts of your notes, like lines or paragraphs, to make important information stand out and to quickly find it later. Think of them as tiny labels for purpose and priority. You might tag a line as "to do" when it needs action, mark something as important when it's critical, or use question for items that need follow-up. You can also tag for meaning, like definitions or ideas, so related content is easy to spot across your notebooks. Let's start by adding a tag. Place your cursor at the beginning of the text you want to mark. On Windows, Mac, or the web, go to the Home tab and click the Tags button. If you see a drop-down arrow, open it to browse the full list. Choose the tag that best fits: to do, important, question, and many others. You can scroll to see more options. After you select one, a small icon appears next to your text to confirm it's tagged. For to-do tags, you'll also see a checkbox you can tick as you complete items, which is handy for tracking progress right in your notes. If you change your mind or the label is no longer needed, removing a tag is straightforward. On desktop or the web, right-click the tag icon and choose Remove Tag. You can also select the tagged text, return to the Tags drop-down on the Home tab, and clear it from there. This keeps your notes clean and ensures your tag lists remain meaningful. Finding tagged content is where OneNote really shines. Go to the Home tab and choose Find Tags. A tag summary pane opens, gathering all your tagged items so you don't have to hunt through pages. Click any result to jump straight to that note. You can adjust the scope to search just the current page, a section, or an entire notebook, which is useful when you're working on larger projects. On some versions, especially on Mac, the dedicated tag summary pane may not be available. In that case, use the search bar at the top of OneNote and type the tag name, such as "to do" or "important," to surface items that use those labels. It's a quick alternative that still gets you where you need to go. For best results, choose a small set of tags you'll use consistently. Tag only what needs attention, and review tags periodically so your summaries stay relevant. With a few thoughtful tags, your notes become more organized, actionable, and easy to navigate.